What's happening, team? As you can see, put in these prison bars. These have in New Zealand, these are actually called, they used to be called hurricane panels, folded wire panels, but they are quite a good panel for medium security. This one's 1.8 and it's straight as an arrow, man. It's got these 65mm steel posts, so super strong. And this one is protecting a settlement pond for this park we've got here. We actually did that fence over there too. That aluminium fence is quite long, goes all the way over there to the other side. But this is like a stage 2 that we've done, and they're just fixed on with these panel clips. And the way that you do it is you put your end posts in and you put a string line up for the top, and then you just go post panels. So you fix the right hand side of the panel and you've already got your hole dug, and then you just attach that post on, the second post on, and then you pour the concrete. But you've got to put little bits of wood underneath to sort of prop it up and get it all level, and you sort of fiddle around with it. But we use quick setting concrete, so put a couple of bags per hole, and then you jack it all up. You can see how it went a little bit higher here because we wanted to, where possible, you want to go straight the whole way. I mean, this did go down here. You can see there's a 150mm gap, but we can build the dirt up there. But we kept it tight at that end, and then as we came down here, you can see it dropped away, and then it went up here, and we just did one single step. So then we ended up coming up around this corner here. You can see we put in a double gate. There's a double gate, and generally, you know, with the visible faces, you know, like this is quite visible, this front, we want to get that as straight as possible. We've got another run that runs down back behind those trees there. It doesn't have to be as pretty. You still want to be pretty, but you can put a few more steps in there and sort of follow the ground a little bit more. But generally, when we're putting these in, we want to make, it's called facing, I guess, when you're a builder. Whatever's facing the public, you want to put a bit more priority on the line, because that's what they can see. But down there behind the trees, not so much. And so yeah, we had a few challenges. We had that big ass tree, see that BAT, bat, for big bat. Yeah, we had to work out how to get around that. Initially the line was a little bit closer to that, but because the customer owns both sides of the fence, we were able to just move that out a little bit. And you can see these end panels, you can see how that's actually been welded. See a little weld down there? And so you install the whole fence and you work out what your end panels are. So there's an end panel here, there's another one down behind that tree, and we got lucky down there, it was actually a full panel. So yeah, these because of the bar spacing, the post spacing, when it comes to the end, has to actually fall on a bar. So we just get the little arc welder, get that measurement, and at the end we come through and we just do all the cut panels. So you can see there's a little cut panel, and we just use this galv paint just to spray them. So these are hot dipped. What that is a galvanization process where they dip it in a bath, and the zinc coating gets electrically attracted to the steel and covers everything. So that's called galvanization. So these aren't aluminium, these are steel, so they would have been black steel and they would have got dipped in the galvanization. And so yeah, so with galvanization we just use the galv paint for the touch-ups, but most of the time there's not many touch-ups. So yeah, that's the folded panel 1.8. I know for a fact it comes in like a 1 meter, 1.2 and a 1.5, and you can use 50mm posts if you want, but as soon as you get up to around 1.5 or 1.8, you want to go 65mm posts, just they're a lot stronger. So yeah, these are ideal for council properties, settlement ponds, commercial properties. If you've got something like that and you want us to give you a price, we are servicing the Greater North Island. We can often quote over email and photographs. We often know how to do that, and obviously with Google Maps these days you can measure anything online. And so yeah, if you're interested in the folded panel, strongfencing.co.nz, fill out the form, let us know. And always happy to have you like and subscribe. We're getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, which is really, really cool. Once we get to 1,000, apparently you can put your advertising, you can get rid of the ads off your channel. So if you want to get rid of ads off this channel, please like and subscribe, and feel free to share to your friends as well. Happy to provide any advice, anything to do with fencing, gates and automation. Have a great day. See you later.